alphanumeric grid references. We have a map of an area. It has buildings and roads and a river and railway line. There is a school and a church and shops and a farm. To help us find different places on a map, we can draw a grid on the map. A grid is a pattern of straight lines that are drawn on a map. A grid has lines that run from the top to the bottom of the map and lines that run across the map. The lines are all the same distance apart and divide the map into little blocks. We add numbers to the spaces between the lines running from the top to the bottom. We add letters to the spaces between the lines running across the map. We can now use these little blocks to find a place on a map. Each little block has a grid reference. For example, the block in the top left-hand corner is called A1. Let us use the grid to find the grid reference of different things on our map. You will have to use the key on the map to help you understand what each symbol means. Let's find block C3. Place the index finger of your right hand on the 3 at the top of the map. Place the index finger of your left hand on the C on the left of the map. Run your right finger straight down the map and your left finger straight across the map. They will meet in a block of the grid called C3. What can you see in this block? Now, use your fingers to find A3. The soccer field is in this block. Now, find the block with grid reference B1. In this block, we can see the crop field. If you wanted to tell somebody where to find the school, you would tell them to look at the grid reference A4. If you wanted to tell them where to find the shops, you would tell them to look at the grid reference B3. Our map now has symbols, a key, and a reference grid.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel or dive into our expert textbooks and get that learning edge.